Good evening. Welcome to NG Magic Studio once again, and I'm Mohit Jain. And this time with common term hex, a common question which is asked in examination like CAT, ZAT, SSC में भी आजकल पूछे जा रहे हैं इस तरह के क्वेश्चन. I hope that you must have gone through the video on general term hacks, क्योंकि उनमें जो hacks हमने देखे थे, उनमें जो short tricks हमने समझी थी conceptually, उसको हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे यहाँ पर. Here what is the question? Find the number of common terms in the following series. दो series दी हुई हैं. Let us first identify the characteristics of these two series. ठीक है, so A is 15, 19, difference is 4, then difference is 4, difference is 4. मतलब A series is an AP series with common difference 4. Series B 13, 18, 5, 18, 23 is 5, 23, 28 is 5. This is also an AP series with common difference 5. तो सिंपल एल्गोरिदम की बात करते हैं. एकदम धीरे धीरे आप पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट को समझिएगा, फिर आप अपने आप अपने स्किल सेट के द्वारा स्पीड को इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज फाइंड द first common term. Let us see what is the first common term. यहाँ दिख रहा है 15, 19, 23, 13, 18, 23. So 23 is my first common term. Next step, find LCM of common difference of the series. Find LCM of common difference of the series. That means I need LCM of 4 and 5. LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. Good. Now, find general term of the new series where first term would be 23 and common difference would be 20. ये जो सीरीज होगी इसमें जितने टर्म्स होंगे वो सारे टर्म्स इन दोनों सीरीज के कॉमन टर्म्स होंगे. एंड वी नो हाउ टू फाइंड Tn when we know A and D and we know that it is an AP series. It is 20n. Now 23 minus 20 will give me 2. Good. So this is the general term of the series we are looking out for. Fine. Good. Now step 4. This Tn should be less than equals to last term of A or B, whichever is smaller. क्योंकि उससे बड़ा तो कोई कॉमन नंबर हो ही नहीं सकता. तो यहाँ पर which is smaller 499. So I'll compare Tn with 499. यहाँ पर करता हूँ. So I'll write Tn is less than equals to 499. Now I will try and solve this. This will be 20n plus 3 should be less than equals to 499. 20n is less than equals to 496. N should be less than equals to 496 by 2 to 4.8, 24.8. ठीक है. Now we know that these are the terms. टर्म्स हैं, इसका मतलब n का जो वैल्यू है वो आपका इंटीजर ही होगा. फाइन. दैट मीन्स n, we know that n should be integer. Therefore, number of common terms are 24. Answer is 24. And the number of common terms in these two series, answer is 24. एकदम फटाफट से first we need to know the first common term, find the common difference of the two series if both the series are in AP, find the LCM of that. Hence now frame a new term, new series, not term, now frame a new series where first term is the common term and common difference is the LCM of the two differences. The last term or the general term of that series should be equals to less than equals to the last term of the smallest series, the smallest term of the two common series. वहां से अपने को n का वैल्यू मिल जाएगा. n should be an integer. Okay, so let's take up one more example. Okay, so we have another example on your screen. I'll suggest you to pause the video, try it out, and then resume the video and see the solution. अब इसको हम quickly करेंगे, but there is some difference in this particular question than the previous one. यहाँ पर last term का value नहीं दिया हुआ है, 100 term till 100 term दिया हुआ है. So let us first identify our series. Series A is 1, 11, 21, 31. मतलब यहाँ first term is 1 and common difference is 10. First term is 1, common difference is 10. That means T100 of this series would be 10 into 100, and then 1 minus 10 is minus 9. 10 into 100 minus 9, that will give me 1000 minus 9, that is 991. I'm using the general term hex to find this quickly. And B, first term is 31, common difference is 31 minus 36, that is 5, and I can see that. So in this case, T100 is 5 into 100 plus 31 minus 5 is 26. That should be 526. Now we are ready with our basics. So now LCM of common difference 10 and 5 is 10. We need A of our new series, that is the common term, first common term. First common term कौन लग रहा है? 31 के बाद यहाँ पर 41 आएगा, and this is 41. No, 31. 31 is the first common term. Yes, 31 is the first common term, and then common difference would be 10 for our new series. So general term for the new series is 10n plus 31 minus 10 is 21. This is, so now we need to compare Tn with the minimum of 991 or either 526. We need to compare Tn with 526. So this should be less than equals to 526. 10n plus 21 is less than equals to 526. 10n is less than equals to 505. N is less than equals to 50.5. N should be a whole number. N should be a whole number. That means N is equals to 50. 50 common term hai. Find the number of common terms in the following series. So we have 50 common terms. Fine. Hopefully आपका ये आंसर मिला होगा. Let's move on to one more question. Okay. Let's see this question. We have two series. First series is 8, 13, 18, 23. So common difference is 5. First term is 8. Common difference is 5. Now the next one is 2, 6 difference is 4. 6, 12 difference is 6. 12, 20 difference is 8. And then difference is 10. That means this is not an AP series of first order. Here the common difference which we have calculated, the difference is in this difference is in AP. That means general term would be AN square plus BN plus C. And now first of all we need to find the general term for that so that we can get an insight on these two series. As far as the general term of the first series is concerned, that will be 5n plus 8 minus 5 is 3. Now we are on to find the general term of the last or the second series. Okay, if I put n equals to 1, this will be a plus b plus c, that is 2. अगर 2 put किया तो 4a plus 2b plus c is equals to 6. 3 put करने पर 9a plus 3b plus c is equals to 12. इन दोनों को डिडक्ट करेंगे, I'll get 3a plus b is equals to 4. Then subtract second and the third one. 5a plus b is equals to 6. Subtracting these two will give me 2a equals to 2. Therefore, a is equals to 1. Now, 3 plus b is equals to 4. This will give me b equals to 1. Now, 1 plus 1 plus c is equals to 2. That will give me c equals to 0. That means Tn or the general term for the second series, series B, is an square, a is 1, that is n is square, plus bn, b is 1 plus n, and c is 0. So this is general term for series B, and this was general term for series A. यहाँ पर कहीं पर भी हमें कॉमन टर्म की झलक दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, इसलिए जनरल टर्म निकालने पड़े टू फाइंड विच कैन बी आर द फर्स्ट कॉमन टर्म. फर्स्ट कॉमन टर्म नहीं मिलेगा तो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ पाएंगे. ठीक, यहाँ पर अब देखते हैं कि फर्स्ट कॉमन टर्म मिलेगा कैसे. सीरीज ए जो है, इट्स जनरल टर्म इज 5n plus 3. अभी अगर n का वैल्यू 1 हुआ तो दिस विल बी लाइक 5 plus 3, that is 8. n का वैल्यू 2 है तो आपको दिख रहा होगा इट इज 13. n का वैल्यू 3 है, इट इज 18. n का वैल्यू 4 है, इट इज 23. तो अगर हम लास्ट डिजिट की तरफ ध्यान दें तो इट इज मूविंग इन दिस ऑर्डर 83, 83, 83, 83. That means last digit of any term of series A is 3 or 8. सीरीज ए जो है उसका जो कोई भी टर्म हम लेंगे, उनका जो लास्ट डिजिट है either that is 3 or that is 8. Let us look at the last digit of the terms of series B. B के बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करते हैं. B is n square plus n. अभी n का वैल्यू कुछ भी हो सकता है, isn't it? चलो, तो what is last digit of n square? 0 हुआ तो 0 मिलेगा, 1 के लिए 1, 2 के लिए 4, 3 के लिए 9, 5 के लिए 5, गुड, 6 के लिए 6, 7 के लिए फिर से 9, 8 के लिए 4 एंड 9 के लिए 1, फिर से 0 आएगा, वो हम पहले ले चुके हैं. एंड लास्ट डिजिट ऑफ n इन दिस केस इज दिस इज 0, 1, 2, 3 और 4 के लिए एक 6 लगाना चाहिए था इधर, और फिर से 6, that is 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So last digit of n square plus n would be what? 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 1 is 2, 4 plus 2 is 6, 9 not और 3 का 12 का 2, 6 and 4 will give me 0, 5, 5 will give me 0, 6, 6 will give me 2, 9, 7 is 16 का 6, 4 and 8 is 12, 2, 9, 1 is 0. तो यहाँ से देखें हम तो आई एम गेटिंग 0, 2 और 6. That means last digit of any term of B is either 2, 0 or 6. It is either 0, 2 or 6. But last digit of any term of series A is either 3 or 8. B के लिए 0, 2, 6. A के लिए 3, 8. That means what? It simply means that no term matches with A and B. No term, कोई भी common term नहीं होगा इन दो series में, because there is no possibilities of common term. Finally, no common terms should be the answer to this particular question. Okay, good. I'll give you 2 questions for homework. So I'll ask you to please solve it by yourself and try to post the answers in the comments box. I'll come up with another video for the solution of those 2 questions. In the meantime, प्लीज रिव्यू द वीडियो वंस अगेन. इफ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, कोई भी दिक्कत होती है, वीडियो को बार बार देखिए, दोबारा देखिए और चीजों को क्लियर करिए. नहीं तो कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर बताइए. आई विल ट्राई टू क्लियर योर डाउट्स. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. So please try to solve these questions and give us the answers in the comment box. I'll come up with the solution video very soon. और अगर आपको और कोई वीडियो चाहिए रिलेटेड टू सीरीज ऑफ साइंस ऑफ सीरीज, तो प्लीज लेट मी नो. आई एम मोहित जैन, signing off from MJ Magic Studio. Good night. Stay safe. Happy learning. And believe me, magic is there. But in mathematics, magic is with logic. Magic happens. Believe me. Thank you.